Hello friends, this is Medhavi. Today we have to work on interfacing of 7 segment with PIC microcontroller. For writing this code, we are using Micro C Pro software, and for debugging we are using Proteus. For those who are working on Micro C Pro for the first time and want to make project in Micro C Pro, I have put the link in the comment box. I have already written the code for explaining. I am going through the code step by step. Now open Micro C Pro and follow my commands. First go to the 7 segment 0 to 8. Go to the Proteus software. This is our software. Micro C Pro software, and this is our Proteus. We have to open both. This is our project. In this project, this is our Proteus. So before start, first you have to tell about what is 7 segment. 7 segment is a combination of LEDs. It is a two type. One is a common cathode type and other one is a common anode type. In the case of common cathode, all the cathode part are common and external ground, and give ground to the commonly ground. In the case of common anode, all the anode part are common and give supply to that pin, to the common pin. In the case of this one, it's common to ground and common to VCC. This one is A, this one is B, C, D, E, F, G, and this one is DP. DP is for decimal point. Suppose you have to 0.0. In this case, you have to use on this one. Otherwise, you have to work on this 7 LEDs. It's a two type. This one. According to this, suppose you have to work on common cathode. In the case of common cathode, when you have to on LED, then 1 for on, 0 for off. In the case of common cathode, 0 is on and 1 is off. Same as I have to written some. Suppose we want 0. 0 means all is on and G is off. All is on, G is off means all is 1, otherwise if only G is 0. Okay. In the case of 1, B and C is 1. B and C is 1, other one off. Up to 9 or F codes are there. So this is a hexadecimal of that code. This code hexadecimal A to G. You have to follow this one. So you have to connect to Proteus. Open Proteus. In this we are using this IC. It's 5 ports are there. Port A, Port B, Port C, Port D and Port E. Port A is of 7 bit. 7 pins are there. Port B 8 pin. 8 C also have 8 pins and D also have 8 pins. In Port E have 3 pins. So RA0 to RA6, RB0 to RB7, RC0 to RC7, RD0 to RD7 and RE0 to RE2. Total these pins are 2 ports are there. 5 ports are there. You have to connect your 7 segment with port B, means A pin, A 7 segment A pin is connected with RB0 up to RB1 up to RB7. You have to connection like that. To write same code. In this we have to make one array for our code. This is our code. 06 3F 06 5B 4F 66. These are the code for 0. This is for 0 1 2 3. I make one array. Void main, then while 1 means you have to operate this program infinite time. Trace B it's for trace buffer register. In this, if to work on output, then give 0. If to work as an input, then give 1. Means port B is work as an input port or output port. If it is work as output port, then put 0 to that pin. If it is work as an input, then put 1 to this pin. A 7 segment is output device. It means you have to put 0, means 0 0 0 8 times 0 each pin. After that, go to the for loop. I equal to 0, initialize it. I equal to 0, condition check true. Array of 0 means 3F, it put to to a port B. After that some delay means 0. After that 1, 2, 3 up to 9. 0 to 9. Okay. After that run it. Then open. After that first double click on the IC 7-segment.hex, then OK. After that play. 0, 1, 2 up to 9. Like that up to 9. Suppose we have to work for double line. Same code is there, only difference is nested for loop is there. In this, for double 7-segment, whole code is same. You have to port 2 port B and port C, and each port is work as an output port. After that, you have to provide a nested for loop. I equal to 0, then array of 0, value put the 0. 0 means port B 0x3f, put 0x3x, 0x3x means 7-segment 0. After that go to the internal. This program operate 10 times. After that 1, then again 9 times operate, then 2, again 9 times, 0 to 9, 0 to 9. Up to this program, whole of program operate double 9, 0, 0 to double 9 times. 0, 0, this 1, 0, this is 0 to double 9, then 1, then 0 to double 9. This is nested for loop, and whole code is same. Only you have to operate, work on nested for loop. In this, using 2 7-segment. Double click on the IC, then 7-segment 2, project name is 7-segment 2, then OK. After that play. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to this. Okay. This program is equal to 9. Then equal to 9 means 0 to 9 total 10. Okay. Then it run. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 1. Okay, up to 99. Suppose we want to do a triple line. Same code, one next loop. One more loop you are using it, nested. In this we have to use 3 port B, port C and port D. Each port is work as an output port. Then I equal to 0. Then this program operate for 0. After that this one 0. Then this operate 0 to 9. Then this whole 1. Then 0 to 9. Then 2. Then 0 to 9. Then 3. Then 0 to 9. Then 4. Then 0 to 9. Up 5, 0 to 9 up to 9. 99. This value will be 1. Then 0 to double 9. Then 2. Then 0 to double 9. This program operate 0 to double 9. This is 1. For 1, this operate 0 to double 9 times. This is 2. Then again 0 to double 9. This whole program operate 0 to triple 9. Means 0, 0, 0, 0 to triple 9. Okay. Oh, no. Project name built. You have to build it. And project name is LED 3. Sorry, 7-segment 3. Okay. double click on the IC, go to the folder 7 segment 3.hex, then OK. After that, here also you have to use greater than equal to, greater than equal to, and greater than equal to. Okay, when this program operate 0 to 9 means 10 times, then build it. Stop, then run. Okay, then 1, this whole program operate 99, then this value will be 1, then again 0 to 99, this whole program operate 000 to 999. Okay, yeah. Thank you very much.